Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with influencing a witness. Let's see here. My husband and a friend sold drugs. They arrested the friend and he squealed on my husband as the main guy, as the leader. Now my 20-year-old son is threatening the son of the person who squealed on my husband, threatening that if his father did not change the story that he would kill him. Yeah, you can't do that. We're talking about influencing a witness, intimidating a witness. This would be a violation of Penal Code Section 136.1 parentheses B. It's a felony that carries up to 3 years state prison. Now, if this had been done for the benefit of a criminal street gang, there would be an enhancement that would increase the punishment by a potential 3 additional years under Penal Code Section 186.22. Now, there's always a risk in these cases when a third party does something like this, in this case your son being the third party, that there could be a conspiracy charge. What if there is evidence indicating that dear old dad who's in custody is the one who told his son to intimidate the son of his witness? Well, now we're talking about a conspiracy charge under Penal Code Section 182 here in the state of California. That's also a felony that carries up to 3 years state prison. So something that could be so innocuous, something like, oh yeah, I'm going to threaten you, change the story, I'm going to do something to you. That very, very quickly could become a very, 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 very serious crime. So I always tell people, even if you're not involved in a criminal case, if you know that somebody is a witness or a victim of a case, avoid having a conversation with that person. Just avoid it. You don't want to put yourself in a position where a victim could theoretically accuse you of trying to influence him or her. You don't have to even intimidate the person. Simply attempting to influence a victim or witness is enough for you to be charged with this offense. I always tell people who are accused of these things, and I get this all the time. I'll get a family coming into my office and they'll say, my uncle was accused of molesting a 12-year-old. But I've been trying to get in touch with the 12-year-old to get her to change the story or drop the charge. Well, first of all, the 12-year-old cannot drop the charges. Once the 12-year-old speaks out to the police, that's it. It's in the police officer's hand. It's in the DA's hands. The 12-year-old doesn't have any power to say, oh, please don't file. It's like, no. When somebody commits a crime, it's a public offense. Obviously, if you tell the 12-year-old, change the story, say that it didn't happen, say that you said that because you were upset with him, or else I'm going to kill you or send you to China. No. You're going to get in really, really deep trouble. Just avoid conversations with any witnesses or victims. That's just the safest thing to do. You want to avoid being charged with a 136.1B, because like I said before, felony carries up to 3 years state prison. Just avoid it altogether. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime and need representation in court here in the San Francisco Bay Area, call us now for a free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the case of somebody who got accused of theft with priors. Criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers, DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers, criminal attorney, criminal attorneys, DUI attorney, DUI attorneys.